Hello friends, welcome back to Online Math. We want to solve this equation you see over here. So this is 8 power x is equal to x power 32. So if you're new to our channel, do well to hit the like button even as we proceed, and then subscribe to our channel, and of course turn on the notification icon so that you will get notified each time we release new content. Okay, so this is the simplest trick to solve this. You are gonna be dividing through, so this is 8 power x, okay, multiplied by 1 over, you want to remove x, this power x right here, so we're going to be dividing it by x, and then of course you will also want to remove this 32, so you also put 32 right here, and then you do that for both sides. So you're going to be having x power 32, okay, multiplied by 1 over x, okay, and then of course multiplied by 32. So that at this point you can see that this 32 can actually cancel this, and then this x will also cancel this, so you are left with 8 power 1 over 32, okay, is equal to x power 1 over x. Okay, so our job is to find a way to simplify this left hand side so that it can be in the form of the right hand side, so that we can now be able to compare both equations. Okay, so moving on, I can actually write this as 8 power, so I can actually use 1 to multiply this 1 over 32, and then it is still the same, is equal to x power 1 over x. Okay, so moving on, I can actually have this is now 8 power, you can actually write this one here as 2 over 2, and of course 2 over 2 is same as 1 multiplied by 1 over 32, okay, is equal to x power 1 over x. Okay, so that at this point what I'm going to do is actually to split this stuff I have right here, so I can write this as 8 power 2, okay, and then of course bracket 1 over 2 multiply by 1 over 32. So I just factorize these two out right here, and I have this, and this is going to be equal to x power 1 over x. Okay, so that what I'm going to be having next is 8 power 2 here is same as 64, okay, and then what I have inside bracket here is 1 times 1 is same as 1, and then of course 2 times 32 here is 64, and this is equal to x power 1 over x. So obviously you can see that all of these imply that our x is equal to 64. So this is how you can actually solve this kind of problem, and then you may also want to find out whether this satisfies the problem we just solved. What we just solved is 8 power x is equal to x power 32. So if you put x to be equal to 64, is it actually going to satisfy this? So what we are going to be having is 8 power 64 is equal to 64, okay, 64 power 32. So are these two things the same? You can of course see that when you simplify these sides, so you're going to be having 8 power, you can actually split this 64 here as 2 times 32, okay, so that this is still equal to 64 power 32, and then if you bring these two out, you're going to be having 8 power 2, and then of course power 32 is equal to 64 power 32, and obviously you can see that 64 power 32 here, which is on the left hand side, will see be equal to what is on the right side. So you can see that clearly that x equal to 64 does satisfy the problem we are solving. So thank you guys so much for watching, and then of course if you've enjoyed this video, do well to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.